Students, so in last lecture we have studied about the water storage systems, the old storage systems and the new storage systems. We have seen how the water has been stored in wells, different types of wells and different types of tanks as well, right? We have also discussed what is potable water. What is potable water? Right. The potable water is water which is good for drinking, good for cooking, right? So the water which doesn't have any dirt or germs into it and which we can drink, right? Which doesn't cause any harm to your body is called as a potable water, right student? So now as we discussed last time, all the water which has been stored in this storage system in the tanks, it is stored for longer time. So if you drink that water directly, it is not good for your health, right? So how you can clean this water, how this water can be purified, how this water can be made good for drinking. So today we are going to discuss about this purification method. Okay students, so here even though rainwater is pure, while coming from the clouds to the earth it gets dirty, right? Dust from the air gets mixed in the rainwater. While flowing over the ground, mud and other unhealthy things also get mixed with it. So the water from different storage might contain dirt, soil and germs. So students, when we talk about the rainwater, yes, it is said that the rainwater is very clean, right? So the water which is coming from the clouds, it is clean. But while it is coming down to the earth, air has lot of dirt, air has lot of germs, there are germs present in air, so it get mixed with those waters, right? Even all the mud, soil and other dust particle, it also get mixed with this water, so that makes that water dirty. So even that water is not good for drinking, right? So it is very necessary to clean this water. So how do we get clean drinking water? The water from different storages is purified. Water purification means removing all unwanted and unhealthy substances from water to make it clean and safe for our use. Students, please underline, water purification means removing all unwanted and unhealthy substances from water to make it clean and safe for our use. Okay, so what is water purification? Yes, to remove all the dirty things, all the unwanted and unhealthy things from water and make it clean for drinking. You must have seen your mom doing these things, straining the water during rainy seasons. We filter the water during rainy season. So nowadays we have purifiers at our house, right? We have the purifiers which purifies the water. What filters हमारे घर पे होते हैं जो ऑलरेडी पानी पूरा अच्छे से फिल्टर करके हमें मिलता है. बट देयर वेर सम अदर टेक्निक्स ऑल्सो विच वेर यूज्ड अर्लियर. सो वी विल सी वन बाय वन. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, so the water from different water sources is taken to water purification centers through huge pipes. Water is purified there. This water is stored in big water tanks at a height or under the ground. Then from these tanks the water is supplied to every household. Now students, if you see this diagram, let us discuss it. If you see this water supply to homes after purification, this diagram, if you can see this yellow color water tank, right? So that is the main big water tank. So what happens, all the rainwater, it is stored into the water storage tanks, right? It can be your big metal tanks, brick tanks or plastic tanks or all the other any method through which the water is stored. What happens, all this rainwater wherever it is collected, it has been brought to one water purification center. यहाँ पे एक रेड कलर का आपको दिखाई दे रहा है वाटर प्यूरिफिकेशन सेंटर. यस, तो ये सारा पानी वाटर प्यूरिफिकेशन सेंटर में लाया जाता है थ्रू बिग बिग पाइप्स, ओके। वहाँ पे उस पानी के ऊपर बहुत सारे ट्रीटमेंट्स होती है एंड दैट वाटर इज़ मेड हेल्दी। उसमें से सारे जर्म्स निकाले जाते हैं, जितने भी अनवांटेड चीज़ें वो सारी निकाली जाती है और उस पानी को प्यूरिफाई किया जाता है। दैट्स वाई इट इज़ कॉल्ड एज वाटर प्यूरिफिकेशन सेंटर। सो वंस दैट वाटर इज़ क्लीन फॉर ड्रिंकिंग, वहाँ से वो पानी फिर एक टैंक में पहुँचाया जाता है, उस टैंक से एक बड़े से वाटर टैंक में, एंड वहाँ से आप देख सकते हो ये ब्लू कलर के पाइप्स थ्रू सारे घरों में. So it reaches to all the houses through the pipes. So in this way the water is purified by a purification center. Okay students, now we will see this is the way to purify water in large amounts. अगर बहुत अमाउंट में पानी है, बहुत ज़्यादा पानी है, जैसे पानी पूरे सिटी में या पूरे विलेज में अगर हमें प्रोवाइड करना है तो ये प्यूरिफिकेशन सेंटर काम आता है, राइट. हाउ कैन वी रिमूव द इम्प्यूरिटीज फ्रॉम वाटर एट होम. ये तो अभी बात हुई अगर बड़े लेवल पे हमें पानी प्यूरिफाई करना है, बट अगर आपको आपके घर पे जो पानी है उसे प्यूरिफाई करना है तो आप क्या कर सकते हो. लेट अस डू वन way of purifying water in small quantities. Okay, we are going to discuss one by one the different ways. Let us see, they have given you one activity here. You can do this activity students at home. See, what you are going to do is, when we keep muddy water to stand for some time, the mud and sand get settled at the bottom. Once the sand and mud settle at the bottom, we can pour the clear water into other vessels. This water is not fit for drinking, right? So students, what happens if we can take a mud, say glass, you can take one glass which has mud into it, okay, and some water, muddy water, you can say muddy water. अगर muddy water आपने एक ग्लास में लिया और उसको थोड़ी देर के लिए रख दिया, क्या होता है, जो भी मड था ना उस पानी में, all the mud will settle down. नीचे जाके वो बैठ जाता है सारा मड, ओके. इट गोज एंड सेटल डाउन एट बॉटम, और जो भी अच्छा पानी है वो ऊपर रहता है. इफ यू सी इन दिस डायग्राम दे हैव गिवन यू दैट द वाटर अपर लेवल इज वाटर. इफ यू कैन यू सी दिस, यस, द अपर लेवल इज वाटर एंड बिलो लेवल इट हैज सैंड एंड मड. एंड देन व्हाट यू कैन डू, स्लोली वो जो अपर लेवल का पानी है वो आप दूसरे ग्लास में धीरे से निकाल ले सकते हो, राइट. So this is the first step which you can do. Second is, when we slowly pass water through a sieve or mesh called a filter, underline all those words, sieve, mesh, okay, so called a filter, the sand and mud get stuck in the sieve. The water is still not safe for drinking. A thin cloth, clay layers of sand, gravel and charcoal are some types of filters. Students, what happens when you see this muddy water, mostly during rainy seasons, बारिश के टाइम पे क्या होता है, मोस्टली आपको मडी वाटर आता है जिसमें मिट्टी होती है, क्योंकि पानी के साथ मिट्टी बह के आती है. सो एट दैट टाइम व्हाट वी कैन डू, अगर आपने ये टेक्निक यूज़ की फिर भी वो जो पानी होता है ना आप फिल्टर करोगे, देन ऑल्सो दैट इज़ नॉट दैट गुड फॉर ड्रिंकिंग. नाउ विच एक्सपेरिमेंट दे हैव गिवन यू हियर, जो हमने पानी निकाल लिया दूसरे बाउल में, राइट, वो पानी भी सेफ नहीं है पीने के लिए, उसको और फिल्टर कर सकते हो आप. तो उसके लिए या तो आप क्लॉथ ले सकते हो, क्लॉथ, कोई भी कॉटन क्लॉथ ले सकते हो, उसके ऊपर वो पानी आप डाल सकते हो, जिसे हम फिल्टर कहते हैं, ओके. फिल्ट्रेशन इज डन. सो इट कैन बी डन यूजिंग सीव. सीव इज चलनी जो हम करते हैं ना, तो आप उस पानी को फिल्टर करके ले सकते हो थ्रू सीव और मैश, और यू कैन यूज अ क्लॉथ, right, and then you will get the water. Still that water will have few charcoal particles as they have told you, clay layers of sand, और कुछ ना कुछ उसमें present हमेशा रहता है. For that reason you need some water filters. That is the reason we need water filter, क्योंकि हम कितना भी कोशिश कर लें घर पे आप पानी उतने अच्छे से प्यूरिफाई नहीं कर पाते हो, राइट. बट अर्लियर जब फिल्टर्स नहीं थे, जब वाटर प्यूरिफायर्स नहीं थे, उस समय लोग ये सारे टेक्निक्स का इस्तेमाल करते थे. जैसे अभी हमने देखा, राइट, पानी को फिल्टर करके लेना थ्रू अ क्लॉथ और थ्रू सीव्स, ओके, और एलम उसके ऊपर से फिर ऐसे घुमाते थे, राइट. सो ये सारी चीज़ें उस टाइम पे की जाती थी जब ये सारे फिल्टर्स नहीं थे. बट नाउ यू हैव दिस फिल्टर्स, हियर दे हैव गिवन यू. सो व्हाट फिल्टर डज, The above two ways remove the impurities from water, but they do not make the water fit for drinking. Even filters cannot remove the tiny impurities. Some methods to make water fit for drinking are, now we are going to discuss. Boiling water for 10 to 15 minutes kills harmful germs in the water. It is the safest method of purification. You must have seen this. It is the extreme perfect method, very good method, that you can boil the water for 10 to 15 minutes. So once you boil the water, what happens? All the germs, all the impurities will get killed. All the germs, harmful cheeses jitni bhi hai, all those will get killed, and then you are going to get a purified water. Okay, this is one best way of water purifying the water, right students? You can also see they have given you some different types of filters here. Can you see the different types of filters? Yes, you must have seen, you must have it in your houses also nowadays. Yes. So now second one they have given you, for a larger quantity of water, boiling is not possible. So a chemical called chlorine, you must have heard, chlorine is added to the water to kill germs. So chlorine is added to water which kills all the germs. It is used to prevent the spread of waterborne disease such as cholera, dysentery and typhoid. So a chemical called alum is also used. If you see the picture of alum is given there, you must have seen it. So a chemical called alum is also used to purify water. Swirling, it is swirled some alum in water for some time and then filtering the water makes the water pure. So water purifiers we use today can filter as well as purify the water and make it fit for drinking. So the techniques which we discussed now, these were the techniques we used to use earlier, but now as we have water purifiers, it has made our work very easy. So students, these were the few techniques which we have studied today, which are used for water purification, right? We have studied water purification. I hope you have understood the concept till here. Okay, thank you.